Go behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go. 81Y. Executing pretty good. They drive straight back. Oh, they drop one cone. But they put it in the 20-point zone. That's going to give them the advantage. Cheliop in 3, 2, 1. Drivers, step up and drive. We're having some technical difficulties over here on the Red Alliance. Hopefully their teammates can maintain the pace and keep up with 81Y, who's shown to be pretty good, if I say so myself. 536C also looks pretty good. Not too shabby at all from this Blue Alliance. Being here in such a high level of competition, it's almost hard to pinpoint out one robot that's just so extremely good, because literally everyone here is so extremely good. Did you know that out of all of the VEX teams competing worldwide every single year, only 7% of them qualify for the World Championship? Everyone here is in the top 7%. You look at major sports, the NHL, they have 50% of their teams make the playoffs. You look at the NBA, 50% of their teams make the playoffs. Here, it's only 7%. Only the best of the very best get to compete here, and that's exactly what we're seeing here in matches like this. Ten seconds remaining. 81Y looking to race the clock. But the Red Alliance is playing some defense and is not allowing them to score. And as a result, 81Y drops that goal at the very end.